Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a cute, easy craft. This is what it looks like. It's a cute surprise kittens. They're basically cute cards with kittens on them. So here's one. I got Sally and she's pink. If you look at this again, pink is normal, so she's not rare. And behind it, it says cute surprise kittens, and it shows likes pizza, favorite color is pink. And it does look like she likes pizza. Okay, so things you're gonna need, definitely some paper. Probably a pencil, maybe a marker or something like that, something to draw with. And something to color with is optional. I'm using you can use markers, pencils, whatever, even paint. And I'm gonna have this for drawing the card, making the card. So let's get started. So first you're going to draw the kitten you're gonna make it. It doesn't even have to be a kitten. You can make it so it's any animal that you really like. Okay, I'm done drawing my kitten. This is how it looks. Now after you draw your kitten or animal, you're going to do the outside, the card. I'm going to use a ruler to try to get it kind of straight. You can make it like a square or even a circle, however you like. Okay, I'm done drawing the square. And now you do the name of your animal or cat. So I went with Kathy. If then after you do that, you can draw, I do like a paw print. If then I color it. So what I did here is blue is rare, pink is normal, and orange is ultra rare. You can do any colors you want. And I'm gonna make Kathy, let's do blue. She's rare. And after you do that, you can just you're gonna color your kitten. Okay, I'm done coloring it. So I colored her gray, and I used this pink for her ears and bows. And then I traced over all of it with a pen. This is how it looks. And now after you color it, next thing you can do is cut it out. Okay, I'm done cutting it out. That's how it looks. And now what you can do on the back is you can write what your cat or animal likes. My cat likes bows. If you look at my cat, she has tons of bows on. Okay, let's see. Favorite color and what else you want to include. I'm just doing favorite color and likes. What should her favorite color be? I guess it's blue, because she's a rare. There we go. And like I did in the other one, this is what I did on the other one. I'm going to do cute surprise kittens. That's completely optional. And let's see. Write it with I guess I'll use yellow. I'm gonna add some hearts, that's optional too. You can write whatever you want on the back. Doesn't even have to be kittens. And here's how the card looks. Now to make the surprise packet. This is how the last one looks. So you want it to be bigger than the card so it can fit. So the card can fit. I'm going to do it like around the sides. So like this. This is how big I make it. You can make the cards as big as you want. Okay, here's how it looks. Now you're going to draw whatever you want on the front. I'm doing cute surprise kittens. Okay, I finished drawing. This is how it looks. Now let's color it. You can do any colors you want. Alright, I finished coloring it. Here's how it looks. We are almost done. So now what you're going to need is glue stick, or you can tape it shut. And you're going to glue each side like this. Then when you're done doing that, you're going to put your card in the center. Press down. It's almost done. Last thing you can do, this is optional, is you can do rip. Then you can do a little line. You can just cut there, and here it is. It is done. Now let's open it. Kathy. And that's it. Super easy and really cute. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.